StarTech.com brings you a reliable solution with their 50-foot Plenum rated HDMI cable, designed for demanding environments where durability and high-quality performance are crucial. This HDMI 1.4B cable supports up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're connecting a projector, gaming console, or a high-definition TV. With a robust PVC jacket and CMP fire rating, it's ideal for installation in plenum spaces like ducts and ceilings, meeting strict safety standards. The cable's 24 AWG wire, gold-plated connectors, and effective EMI shielding guarantee stable signal transmission and minimal interference, enhancing both video and audio quality. It supports features like audio return channel, ARC, deep color, and HDCP 1.4, catering to a variety of professional and residential setups. Whether used in boardrooms for presentations or home theaters for immersive viewing experiences, this HDMI cable excels in versatility and performance, accommodating the latest HDMI standards and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices that if you're looking to extend your HDMI connections up to 50 feet without the need for a signal booster. StarTech.com's cable offers a seamless solution. Its high-speed capabilities, coupled with durable construction, make it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable HDMI connectivity over longer distances.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.